This video demonstrates how to add a manager code on a Dormakaba Axessor safe lock. The first step is to open the lock by entering a valid opening code. Step 2 is to enter programming mode. Press the mode button, enter the master code, which always starts with 00, and press enter. Step 3, enter code menu. Use the arrow keys to move to the code menu and then press enter. Step 4, select the manager option. Use the arrow keys to move to the manager, press enter. Step 5, add a manager code. Select manager 1, press enter. Step 6, add manager 1's code. Enter an 8-digit code starting with 10. Press enter. Then re-enter the same code and press enter to confirm. To add another manager code, repeat step 5, select manage 2, 3 or 4, then add its code by repeating step 6, entering the 8-digit code starting with 20 for manager 2 or 30 or 40 respectively for managers 3 or 4. Re-enter the same code to confirm. The final step in the process is to exit, step 7. The lock will show accepted and then display manage 1 used. Press the I to exit the menu until the lock displays open. Now you can close the lock and the process is complete.